Truman Doctrine. President Truman's policy of providing economic and military aid to any country threatened by communism or totalitarian ideology. The USA was now fully committed to its policy of containment. Containment. American policy of resisting further expansion of communism around the world. Impact on Greece. The Greek government was now able to defeat the communists. Impact of the Truman Doctrine. The Truman Doctrine worsened relations. The rivalry between the USA and USSR increased. Truman had publicly stated that the world was divided between two ways of life: the free, non-communist and the unfree, communist. Marshall Plan. A United States program of economic aid for the reconstruction of Europe. Reasons for the Marshall Plan. Marshall Aid. Aid was offered to all war-torn European countries to re-equip their factories and revive trade and agriculture. The USA offered money, equipment and goods to countries willing to work together towards their economic recovery. Consequences of the Marshall Plan. Europe became more divided. Stalin was initially involved but withdrew because he didn't trust the US and didn't want to show how weak the USSR's economy really was. Increased tensions because Stalin accused USA of using plan for their own interests, which was to boost their own economy. OEEC. The OEEC was set up by 16 countries in Europe to decide how to use the US aid. UK receiving Marshall Aid. The United Kingdom received $3,176 million in Marshall Aid. This was the largest amount given to any country in Europe. Total amount of Marshall Aid. By 1953, $17 billion had been provided to European countries. Blocking of Marshall Aid. Both Poland and Czechoslovakia were blocked from receiving Marshall Aid by the Soviet Union.